Eukaryotic cells, they are like the VIPs of the cellular world. Why? Because they are the rock stars packing a nucleus and a bunch of other fancy organelles. First things first, let's break down the name of the eukaryotic cell. The U in Greek, it means true, and the karyotic refers to the nucleus. So when we say eukaryotic cells, we are talking about the cells that have a true nucleus. Every eukaryotic cell has a nucleus. So picture it as the cell's command center, and this is where all the genetic secrets are stored. Now let's talk about teamwork. The eukaryotes, they don't work solo, so they are all about collaboration, the teamwork. And inside there is a community of organelles, each with a specific job. For example, the mitochondria, they are the powerhouses, they create energy. Endoplasmic reticulum, for example, it is the internal delivery system. They ensure everything runs smoothly. Okay, let's have a look at this diagram of the eukaryotic cell, and we notice that every eukaryotic cell, they have a nucleus, and this is the command post holding the cell's genetic material, and it's like the heart of the operation. But the nucleus isn't alone. Within this cell, there is a symphony of organelles. For example, the mitochondria, there is the energy powerhouse and also the endoplasmic reticulum. We call it as the cellular highways. The foremost contributor to the complexity of the eukaryotic cell, it lies in the organizational structure. So unlike the simplicity of the prokaryotic cells, the eukaryotes, they have the compartmentalization through the membrane-bound organelles. So the presence of a defined nucleus of the endoplasmic reticulum, of the Golgi apparatus, and also the mitochondria, it allows for the specialized cellular function. Okay, so let's have a look at the differences in the table between the prokaryotic and also the eukaryotic cells. So for the eukaryotic, it possesses the true nucleus. And then it is characterized by a complex system of the membrane-bound organelles, such as the endoplasmic reticulum, the Golgi apparatus, and also the mitochondria. And these membranes, they enable the function, the specialized functions within the cell. Besides the eukaryotic cell, they also possess linear DNA, and the genetic material is organized into the distinct chromosomes, and it is housed within the nucleus. And eukaryotic cells predominantly, they are found in the multicellular organisms such as plants, animal, fungi, and protists. And these cells, they collaborate to form the complex organism. So that is for the eukaryotic. For the prokaryotic, so prokaryotic, as we know, they lack the true nucleus. So instead, their genetic material is found in the nucleoid region. So nucleoid region is a more simplistic organization without a protective membrane. The prokaryotic cells, they lack the membrane-bound organelles. So their cellular functions, they occur in a more unified, more open space without the compartments. In terms of the DNA, prokaryotic cells, usually they contain circular DNA. So this circular structure is found in the nuclear region. So they represent a simpler genetic arrangement. In terms of the cell, primarily for prokaryotic cell, they are observed in the unicellular unicellular organisms, including the bacteria and the archaea. So these cells, they function independently as standalone entities. They do not work together. With that, thank you.